Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. If you are a new subscriber, welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Everything that I used in this video will be listed down below. Please subscribe so you don't miss whenever I post another video. I'm starting off with some concealer, and I'm using this as my base. This will just help keep my eyelids protected so that I don't receive any staining from the eyeshadow. And I'm just using this brush to dry down the product as well as blend the product out. I'm going to take some translucent powder to help set that concealer so that I don't receive any creasing before going in with any eyeshadow. I'm taking the lightest purple in that palette and using that as my transition color, and I'm just going to stamp it into place as well as build it up and then blend it out. As you build that color up, you want to make sure that you also blend in the color out so that you don't receive any harsh lines when moving on to the next shade. I'm going to repeat the same thing on the opposite side, which is just stamping that color into place, building it up, and then blending it out. And I'm going to keep repeating that until I'm satisfied with the coverage. Now I'm going to take that purple, the second one to the last row, and I'm just going to apply that right underneath that transition color. And I'm going to use stamping motions as well, and then I'm going to make sure that I blend those two shades together. And I'm going to repeat on the opposite side. And I'm going to go back in with that lighter purple shade just to add a little more, just so that it doesn't get lost between that darker purple. And now I'm going to cut my crease, and I'm going to use the guide, and I'm just adding that concealer close to my lash line in the center and looking up, and then following that guide all the way to the inner corner. And I'm going to repeat the same steps, which is simply adding that concealer to the middle portion of my eye, looking up and following that guide all the way to the inner corner. And I want to make sure that that concealer is dry. So I'm just taking this accent brush and I'm just patting that concealer in, helping it dry down a little faster. I'm taking that darker purple on the last row and I'm just adding that to the outer portion of where that concealer stops, just to help blend that concealer as well as the eyeshadow together so I don't have any harshness. It's going to be harsh a little bit regardless because it is a cut crease. Just keep that in mind. And now I'm just going to take that purple shimmer and add that to the center as well as over top of that darker purple to blend that together. And I'm going to keep doing this until I'm satisfied with how that color turns out. So you want to build it up just a little bit. You don't necessarily have to use as much as I did, but I really wanted that color to show through. And now I'm just going to use a black eyeshadow and use this as like an eyeliner a little bit and just add a little bit to the eyes just to help bring another color into the mix. And now I'm just going to blend those shades together, mainly focusing on the outer corners, making sure that that black and purple blend perfect. And I am satisfied with this, but I wanted something a little more to help this eye really pop. So I'm going in with my glitter glue, and this is just to help my glitter stick. And I'm just placing this into place, starting with a little bit at a time. At first, I was just going to apply it to the inner corner, but I decided to apply it everywhere that I did the cut crease. And I'm going to do the same steps on the opposite side, just applying a little bit of that glitter glue and then applying some glitter. And I do like the little bit that I have going on right here, and I should have just did it that way, but I like it either way it go. It's just up to you. And after I finished applying the glitter, I did go back into that purple shimmer shade and added that between both glitter and the purple just to make sure that those blended perfect. And I'm going to finish the rest of my face off camera. I hope you all enjoyed this video as much as I did making it. Please don't forget to subscribe. And again, everything that I use is listed down below.